Novira FireNest is marketed as the perfect outdoor emergency stove and portable heat solution. But the real question is it actually useful outdoors or just another product with aggressive marketing? Now, to be fair, portable camping stoves and emergency burners can absolutely be useful for camping, blackouts, and outdoor cooking. What it does well: portable and compact. The design is small and lightweight, making it easy to carry for camping or backup emergency use. May function as a basic alcohol stove. The product itself appears to be a real portable burner similar to many generic camping stoves already on the market. Simple to use outdoors. Portable stoves like this can work for light outdoor cooking or heating small cookware in controlled situations. Where it falls short, not actually unique. One of the biggest issues is that the FireNest appears to be a generic portable stove sold with premium survival branding. Similar products exist online for much cheaper. Overhyped emergency marketing. Terms like ultimate survival solution and reliable emergency heat source make the product sound far more advanced than it likely is. Weak company transparency. There are concerns about inconsistent branding, vague company information, and unfinished legal pages on the website. So, is Novira FireNest perfect for outdoors? Novira FireNest appears to be a real product, but the marketing greatly exaggerates what it actually is. At its core, it looks more like a generic portable alcohol stove than a high-end outdoor survival tool. Final verdict: Novira FireNest equals basic camping gadget, overhyped marketing. If you expect a simple portable burner for occasional outdoor use, it may be fine. But if you expect a premium emergency solution from the ads, you'll likely be disappointed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.